you got Tamaja.
Hey, here's your here's your girl Shanice.
And today you guys, we have the ultimate, the one and only Ree-Diculous Omelette made by our dad.
It looks so delicious. You guys ready to eat?
It's like a huge ultimate like power omelette, you guys. He has an egg on top, cheddar cheese, then I know he has one like hard fried egg. He has
Basically, it's like 80% of egg and some layers.
right, Munster cheese, Munster cheese, Gourda cheese, Mozzarella cheese,
bacon,
ham. I know one layer is mushrooms and bell peppers. It's just a bunch of goodies. We're gonna put like the layers of it in the description bar.
What is she doing?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put down the layers of it in the description bar down below if you want to recreate it. And if you do
Lily!
They're like, oh, it's still not comfortable.
If you do want to recreate this wonderful Ree-Diculous omelette, then please do so and tag us. We'd love to see your creation of this. And yeah, all the ingredients will be in the description bar down below. But we're just gonna get into our we're just gonna get into our thumbnail and our prayer, and then get into this feast because I'm freaking starving.
Oh, me too.
Oh,
no.
What?
no. Whipped cream sounds really good. God's good. Let's say first. Goodbye, heavy. Say time for daily bread. Amen.
Amen.
Chicken!
Okay, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna do like this. Cool. Okay. Okay, you
How
guys.
are we going? Oh, you got a knife.
Yeah.
It's like a cake.
It is, right? That's what I was thinking too. Oh my freaking goodness. That's like, holy crap.
I saw my dad like while he was preparing it. I didn't see him cook it because then I went to sleep.
I saw him this morning while he was cooking it, and I was like, you're crazy, Daddy.
That's a lot of layers.
Oh my freaking goodness.
Oh, don't drop it.
Do you see this?
Oh, there are also onions.
Oh, onions as well. Like I said, you guys, I'm gonna put like the entire thing in the description bar so you can.
It was falling down, so I helped it.
Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to eat it because it's looking so good. And the cheese. Ooh. Thank you. Oh, it's going to fall.
Okay. And then the last piece.
There's also ham.
Mushrooms.
What kind of bacon is this?
It's turkey bacon.
Oh, okay. Oh, they're like turkey bacon and pig bacon.
Normal bacon.
Normal bacon.
Normal bacon.
Pork bacon.
Yeah.
Pork bacon.
Here you guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my freaking goodness.
Wow.
So cool.
Someone might want to touch the screen.
Okay.
Okay, let's get started.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Oh, maybe we should do one something like this too.
Okay.
Wait. Okay. One, two, three.
Down there.
What?
I don't know. What do you taste in marzipan?
Maybe we'll say everything tastes like marzipan. I swear, every time we eat something, tastes like marzipan.
No, don't.
What you do?
No, don't. That was Shanice last time.
Because I hate marzipan. I can really taste out marzipan, even if it's like a tiny.
Well, this ham tastes like
Thing.
marzipan. What the heck did my ham go? Don't know.
Did you eat it?
No, I didn't. I was right there. Anyways.
Okay.
This is really good.
Okay, Daddy.
This is delicious.
Alright. You did your thing. That's some good stuff, you guys.
That's really good. I think I'm going to go for another piece.
Oh yeah, me too.
Like, that's so cool. You're starting like from the bottom, and then there's like meat, and then by each layer you're just thinking like, okay, what is coming next? I was thinking the same.
Damn, this is good.
I'm not tired, guys. Drake's son is so pretty.
His son, oh my gosh, you guys. I can't believe he finally built him.
I didn't either. I didn't see it coming this year.
I thought he was just gonna keep him a secret forever, you know?
But what made him like showing now the kid? What
I
made-
think he said he wanted to just bring some light into everybody's life right now since we're going through such a hard time. So that's why he showed his baby. And brought light into my life, you guys. That baby is beautiful.
That baby's so pretty.
Freaking gorgeous.
But by the combination, break and the mommy.
Right,
The mom
guys.
is so beautiful.
I can't believe people were calling her ugly when they first found out about her.
They were people.
Everybody was giving her hate and everything. Yeah, because
They're such a haters. Just because they were not the mommy.
period. Because she is pretty. I don't know why they were calling her ugly.
And her art is beautiful.
That girl can draw. What?
Why do I got eyes?
Because I put ice in it and then he was like, I don't want ice. And I was like, okay, well, I'm just going to put ice in it.
I hate eyes.
I'm sorry. Girl, that wasn't even yours. I can't believe we ate almost the entire thing, you guys.
Do we have to leave like mom and dad some?
That's a good question. I don't know.
I don't either.
Because if it would be me,
I think I would eat everything.
yeah,
Heck yeah.
It's good. We should probably give them something.
of course. So delicious. Oh, do you know what is missing? Spicy pepper.
She dropped such a big piece.
Lily, you can have it, man. Lucky day, bro.
3-second rule.
You guys, you definitely have to try this out and tag us. I would love to see what yours looks like.
comment down below if you have any recipes that you would like us to do, because you guys know us. You guys have been doing a lot of recipes lately. Oh my gosh, yeah, we've been trying so many recipes while Mimi has been cooking, but so freaking good.
I liked the meat yesterday. Ooh, it was so good. And the wontons. The self-made wontons.
I made wonton and I made dumplings. Yeah, we have
good.
Shanice has a video up on that, you guys. You should check it out. And mine will come out too, but I don't know when. But I will link hers down below. I'm sorry, guys. I can't even talk. This is too good.
I just want to concentrate myself like the different flavors. I don't want to miss one of them.
I think you put tomato sauce in one layer.
For real?
I don't know, what is that? Salsa, tomato sauce? I think it is tomato sauce.
Oh, okay.
So good. Lily definitely likes it too. She agrees. Definitely. That's the problem, people. They never ask, can I have a sip of the drink? Like, dang, these ask.
Like, I'm the only child who's never ever drinking cold drinks. Thank you.
I hate cold drinks. Like, ice in my drinks. I hate it. I hate when people don't ask for stuff. It can irritate us. You're so funny, you guys. Because, see, guys, I love sharing. I really do love sharing. I really do. Tamaja can tell you that. My mama can tell you that. Everybody can tell you that. But with Shanice, it's like, oh my God, I don't have to ask in this house. I just take whatever I want without asking.
It's not like we're out of water.
And I'm just saying, I don't like that. I remember Mama did that one time for me in the apple. Oh my gosh, I think Mimi, I won't say the curse word, but I Mimi slapped the apples out of my mom's hand. It was so funny. People wouldn't think it was funny if they watched this. But in that scenario, it was kind of really actually funny. And I was like, oh, well, now I feel bad now. I'll give her apple. And then it was like, I don't want the apple. I don't know. I just hate when people just take stuff out of my plate or like anything and don't ask for it. It's just weird. That's like one of my pet peeves. One of my pet peeves.
Corona.
Oh my God. Anyways, you guys, come on, finish up. I'm hungry. I need more food in my stomach.
Oh, I'm done.
I'm hungry.
I don't know. It's so good. You want to eat more of it, but yeah, it's making food.
I'm sorry, I'm the only one that's not full. Like, I'm hungry. Like, I'm so hungry. Anyways, you guys, this was very, 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 very highly topped of very delicious. 10 out of, above my scale actually. It broke my scale. It was so good. It's like 100 out of 100. And you should try it out. I definitely recommend you try this out, you guys. And make sure to tag us, you guys, so we can share your video on our channel as well and see what yours look like, because this one looked absolutely delicious. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Show that you love us as much as we love you guys. Also, don't forget to comment down below any other recipes you would like us to try out, or if you've ever tried an ultimate
omelet like this, you know, but this is the ultimate ridiculous omelet made by the Reeds. So make sure to try this out and tag us. Comment down below if there's anything else you would like to try us out. And if you have yet to hit the subscribe button for this channel, you guys, then guess what you have to do.
You gotta
Hit that subscribe button. 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 Hit it. Hit it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Hit it. Hit that subscribe button.
Ooh.
I love you guys. Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe to our vlog channel. Link in the description. I love you guys. They will love you more. I love you more than they does. And with that being said, I think that is it. And that's all. And we'll see you guys in our next